Hello, welcome to the last step in the SOMAH application process, the incentive claim package. To start off, the incentive claim package is the final stage of the application process to receive the incentive payment. Applicants must submit the last documents and go through an inspection process to receive the incentive payment. The final inspection will verify that the project is installed as presented in the application. The following documents are required to be submitted: the incentive claim form, the job training affidavit, tenant education affidavit, final VNIM allocation form, documentation of load allocation if applicable, and the electronic payment setup form if applicable. One of the key requirements that will be verified during this milestone is the tenant education requirement, which must be completed 60 days or fewer prior to the start of construction. Property owners are required to inform tenants about the property's participation in SOMAH and provide SOMAH-approved resources. The resources must be provided through mail or direct delivery and through email or community meetings such as a workshop. SOMAH can help you meet your tenant education requirements through our no-cost tenant education services. Here's how we can help. SOMAH can provide a personalized tenant education workshop to help your tenants prepare for the changes once solar is installed. Additionally, if you will be leading a workshop yourself, we can help you prepare to ensure you fulfill the tenant education requirements. If you are still unsure about the tenant education requirements, you can also set up a meeting with a tenant services expert to learn more about meeting the requirements. All of these free services are available to any project that has received a proof of project milestone approval. Another key requirement that will be verified during this milestone is the job training requirements. This requirement is intended to stimulate local, economic, and workforce development to ensure that community benefits are delivered to traditional underserved communities. For every SOMAH project, contractors are required to hire specific numbers of job trainees based on the system size being installed. The job training requirements will not be waived, and projects that do not complete all requirements may result in program penalties such as an infraction, failure, or program suspension. Contractors must pay SOMAH job trainees at either the contractor's entry level or 1.4 times the local minimum wage where the SOMAH project takes place, whichever is higher. Additionally, contractors must pay the job trainee within 30 days of completing the work. Types of job training tasks can include project design or engineering, PV installation, or PV commissioning and maintenance. To be eligible for SOMAH job training opportunities, an individual must be currently enrolled in an eligible job training program, recently graduated from an eligible job training program within 12 months of the SOMAH project installation start date, or a tenant whose primary residence is the SOMAH property. Performance monitoring and reporting is required for all systems. The purpose of this requirement is to increase the owner's knowledge about the system in order to ensure proper and adequate system maintenance and function. The system owner must contract with a performance monitoring provider for a minimum of 20 years and ensure 15-minute interval data production. The data must be available to the SOMAH PA upon request. If your project is not ready to submit for the incentive claim package by the 18-month reservation expiration, please submit a reservation extension request ahead of the expiration date. To request a reservation extension, contractors or applicants must submit a SOMAH reservation expiration extension request form found on the website. Extensions will be granted due to circumstances beyond the control of the reservation holder, permitting delays, or defective panels. If approved, the extension will be a maximum of 180 calendar days. Failure to meet all requirements by the original or extended reservation expiration date will result in a cancellation of the application. Here is an overview of what to expect during the incentive claim package. After submitting the required documents, the SOMAH PA will review it and have it go through quality assurance checks. If suspended, the applicant will receive 20 days to submit the necessary corrections. Once all documents are verified, the project will undergo a final inspection. The inspection results will be processed, and if no errors are found and all milestone requirements have been met, the project will be approved. The SOMAH PA will issue the incentive payment within 45 days of the incentive claim approval notice. You can download the required documents and find sample documents on our website. Simply go to calsomah.org, click on the Application Process and Documents page, scroll down to the Incentive Claim Package section, Click on Documents to submit, and you can find a list of all the required documents here. Please note that some documents can be downloaded here, while other documents can be generated on PowerClerk. The SOMAH PA is here to help every step of the way and ensure submitting your documentation is as seamless as possible. Thank you for watching.